Hello everyone. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I do a no-sew quilted Christmas ornament. Here are the materials that I use. I cut all my fabric squares into 2.5 by 2.5 inch squares. And I also found this fabric and it has some wreath with some holiday sayings. I'm going to take this one that says Merry Christmas because it's the smaller wreath, and I'm going to use a 3-inch styrofoam. I'm going to use the one that says Merry Christmas, but if you want, you can use different sayings on each side. I'm just marking the middle of the styrofoam, and I'm going to pin this fabric in place. Now I'm going to start with the green fabric, and I'm going to fold the squares into rectangles, and I'll use them to frame the Merry Christmas word. Now I'm going to start with the red fabric squares. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold it into rectangles, and I'm going to place them 1/4 of an inch below the green fabric. Now I'm going to start with the printed fabric, and I'm going to do the same thing. Fold the fabric squares into rectangles and place them below the red fabric, leaving 1/4 of an inch gap or distance between them. Now I'm going to start with the green fabric, and in this case I'm going to fold it into triangles. Here I'm marking the center of the square, that way I can put my pin. And as you can see, I am aligning this green triangle with the green rectangles. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other fabrics. Next you're going to see I'm going to do the red triangle, and I'm going to align it with the red rectangles. Now I'm going to start with the other side, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Remember that the distance between each fabric is 1/4 of an inch. Now I'm going to take this red ribbon and I'm going to place it in between the fabrics, just where they meet. That way I can cover all the pins. Now I'm going to take this ribbon trim. It has red and green and gold, all the colors that I'll be using. And I'm going to place it on top of the red ribbon. That way I can embellish the ornament more. Now I'm going to do the bow for the top part of the ornament. All of my ribbon strips, I cut them into 5 inches to make the bow. And one of them I use it to make a loop. That way I can hang the ornament on the Christmas tree. Now I'm going to take push pins and I'm going to put them on the top of the triangles. That way I can embellish the ornament. One thing I didn't show is when I put the bow, the ribbon bow on the top, I put crazy glue on the pin. That way it holds in place, so when I hang the ornament on the Christmas tree, it won't come out. This gold flower or flat back bead, I found it on the scrapbooking section of a store, and I'm going to put it on top of the pin where the bow is. That way I can cover that pin. And here I'm using a bead spacer with a push pins, and I'm pinning it the sides where the ribbons are. It also will embellish the ornament more. And here is a Christmas charm, and I just hang it from the ribbon, the bow ribbon. Here's the ornament all completed. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy holidays everyone.